Hello champions, how are you all? I'm sure you're doing pretty much good. In today's session, we are going to talk about the sound of double E, which means sound of two E's together. Okay? So double E sounds like E. Okay? E. Now we are going to look forward towards some words which include the sound of double E. Okay? Let's begin. The first word we are having is feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. Correct. So when it's singular, it's foot and the two is feet. Okay. Now let's move forward. The second is teeth. Correct. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. The third one is queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. The next one we are having is Jeep. J-E-E-P. Jeep. The next word is heel. H-E-E-L. It's a body part of ours, okay? Heel. H-E-E-L. The next word is seed. S-E-E-D. S-E-E-D. The next we are having is bee. B-E-E. B-double-E. Bee. The next word is deer. D-E-E-R. Deer, the animal, okay? D-E-E-R. The next word is tree. It's simple, right? You know the spelling of tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. The next word we are having is wheel. W-H-E-E-L. W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. The next word is sleep. S-L-E-E-P. S-L-E-E-P. Correct. And the last word is weed. W-E-E-D. So the weed are the unwanted plants which grow, okay? And you have to remove them from your farms or the garden, okay? So weed, W-E-E-D. So this was all for the sound of double E, which sounds like E. Now you can think of some other words also which include this sound, okay? So make sure you practice this regularly at home and we'll meet in our next session. Till then, bye-bye.